Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to do a plan with me for the month of March, and we're going to use a digital sticker kit that is the book lovers theme. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed, and I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, all the digital things, and prayer Bibles. So if you could hit that like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. Let's get to planning. Okay, so let's start off by starting with the actual sticker kit so you can see it. We have, this is the book lover sticker kit, and we of course have our 4 scriptures and our matching rectangles. We have prayer lists to do, some washi tape, some boxes, flag, checkbox things. Then we have our day of the week covers. We have our icons, our motions and weather, some words, and our color boxes. Here is our date covers if you want to use them. Then we have some just graphic design things, and then our normal other icons. Okay, so that is our kit. And I'm not going to use that. Oh, there is March. Okay, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and find our March. I like to use, it's right up on top. Book lovers. That's the one we're using. We're going to slide it over. Might have done that a little bit too quick for you, but there was a little box that you could tap. Let's see if I can do that again quickly for you. Once you've got them loaded, you can tap this little box right here and it will tap over onto the side. And then I like to slide it over so I have 3. And then again, if you pinch out, it makes it go zoom in, and pinch in, it makes it go close, back zoomed out so you can have the full screen. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with our week covers. I decided not to do the dates this month. All right, so I'm gonna kind of bring it in a little bit. Tap, hold, and drag, and that's gonna bring it in. I'm just gonna bring them all in, and then we'll go ahead and clean them up a little bit. Make them fit in their boxes correctly. Don't know about you, but I'm excited for March. I'm hoping that March will be a little warmer. We've had a really cold February. I like to work on the picture icon. When I'm working on these, you just get a little bit better control because you get you get the extra controls, I guess you could say is the word I'm looking for. My words are not working very well today. Anyway, February has been very cold, so I am looking forward to March, getting closer to spring, getting closer to those longer days. I like daylight longer. This little has a cute like coffee and book vibe on these day covers, or week covers, date covers, whatever you want. Goodness gracious, my words are not forming very well today. Please excuse. It'll be all right though. You know what I'm talking about. All right, we got all those put in. Now I would like to, let's see if we can dress up that top a little bit, and then we've got some white areas in here. So let's pull our washi in and see. Let's again work in the photos tool. Okay, so I like that down there. I'll put this one up here. Again, switch over to the photos tool. And there we go. That cleared in those spots there. All right, let's see. Let's work on, I'm going to start with Sunday. So I'm going to come back up here to the top because I want to find my church, because I always go to church on Sundays. Let's drag that in a little bit. We go to church. I'm going to put church up on top. And I like to plan my week out on Sundays as well. So I like to put my little planner up there. And we take the trash out on Sundays. And for some reason I forget that, so I just like to plan it. Okay, and I'm going to use my lasso tool and lasso those because we do the same thing. Oops, didn't copy. Tap it, hit the copy button, tap paste, and match style. Anyway, I do the same thing. Pretty much my weeks are all the same. You know what I do need to do first is go in and, yes, because we have no school on some of these days, and I like to, mark that out. So I'm going to go ahead and find I'm going to use this gray. And the 24th through the 28th, my kids are off for spring break. So I'm going to do, make it a little bigger. There we go. And I'm going to come over and find my text tool and write no school. And lasso that. And I'm going to come over there, hit the color button, and let's make it this pink color so it will stand out pretty well. There we go. It will do that. And then, let's see, we have St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to write that in. And we'll lasso that and put that right up on the top there. Oops, St. Patrick's Pay. We're going to tap on it. There we go. And put in a space. There we go. Okay. I could find a shamrock from one of my other kits, and I may go back and do that later on. We'll see. Okay, Mondays are my coffee chat, and I'm going to use, since we used that one, I'm going to use this one. Flip it sideways. And let's play around. Maybe I don't want the, come on. All right, we're just going to use the box because it didn't want to work what I was thinking of. Okay, we're going to put in coffee chat. And lasso that over here. And then I want to find my coffee cup. There it is. Put it in. There we go. Copy again. Oop. We don't want that. And over that, lap that. Because we know it goes together. There we go. Okay, Tuesdays, I don't have anything going on. Wednesdays, we have Bible study. Oh, excuse me. Thursdays is payday. So let's find our little, there it is. And this month we get paid on the 6th. On the 20th. So that means I'll be paying bills. I like to pay bills on the Friday after. So let's do, I haven't used brown, so we'll use brown. Excuse me, got a little snifflies coming in. Okay, and now I want to find my weekend. And, do I want to put the weekend? I don't think I'm going to put the weekend on that, but we do family time. On Saturdays. See what I'm saying? One of the things I love about digital planning is you can just easily copy and paste things so easily. Okay. Now, oh, I need my, I'm still working on my weight, so that one may not stick out very well. Beginning of the month and the end of the month. I like my weight. Oh, I'm going to put, forgot the family time for up here. There we go. And let's see. There's no birthdays this month, no anniversaries this month. I guess it's now time to kind of fill in some decorations. Oh, I want to put, we didn't use much brown, so we'll use prayer list. There we go, put the prayer list up on top, and then we'll put, I like that saying, we're going to put that one down. Put that Bible verse down at the bottom there. And now let's add some of these decorations. Okay. So if this happens to you, all you have to do is widen it a little bit. For some reason, it does that. I don't really know why. It may not do it on yours, but it definitely does it on mine. So I'm going to add in some of these decorations on Tuesdays, just to pull in some of these cute stickers. I like that there. Okay, I didn't use this one. We could use this one right here in the center. And do I want to see if I can do anything up at the top? I think I might just leave the top blank on this one because I think it's pretty cute. Yeah. So that is our month of March with the book theme. Turned out super cute, super easy to do. A lot of copying and pasting, which makes it super easy. And if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the very next video.